Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-fidelity prototypes. Let's begin by understanding what they are and why they're so valuable in the design process. These simple models help you visualize ideas without investing too much time or resources. They are perfect for exploring different concepts and gathering initial feedback quickly, ensuring your project starts on a solid foundation before moving to more detailed stages. Creating low-fidelity prototypes doesn't require fancy software or expensive materials. You can start with everyday items like paper, pens, and sticky notes. Whiteboards are excellent for collaborative sketching and quick iterations. For those who prefer digital, simple wireframing tools offer a similar level of abstraction, allowing you to focus on structure over aesthetics. The key is accessibility and ease of use. When you begin, focus on the core user journey. Sketch out the main screens or steps a user would take, prioritizing functionality over perfect visual design. Don't worry about colors, fonts, or intricate graphics at this stage. Use simple shapes and labels to represent elements. Arrange these pieces to simulate how a user would interact with your product, ensuring the flow feels logical and intuitive. The real value of low-fidelity prototypes comes from testing. Share your creation with potential users and observe how they interact with it. Ask open-ended questions to gather honest feedback on usability, clarity, and any pain points. Use these insights to quickly refine and improve your design. Remember, the goal is to identify and fix major issues early, making subsequent design stages much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.